Ever wondered what the secret to successful seed starting is? Well, it's more than just popping a seed in the ground. It's an art, a science, and a labor of love. Get ready to discover the secret to a thriving garden right from the seed. Firstly, successful seed starting begins with the right seed selection. It's crucial to choose high-quality seeds and consider the plant's growing conditions. This includes sunlight, soil type, and climate. Remember, your garden's success starts with the seed you sow. Secondly, pay attention to timing. The success of your seeds hinges heavily on when you sow them. Different plant species have their own unique growing seasons, and your local climate plays a pivotal role too. Timing truly is everything when it comes to seed starting. Lastly, proper seed care is crucial. It's all about balance, adequate watering, maintaining the right temperature, and ensuring sufficient light exposure. These elements are key to successful germination. With proper seed care, you'll soon see those seedlings sprout. In summary, successful seed starting depends on 3 key factors: choosing the right seeds, knowing the perfect timing, and giving your seeds the proper care they need. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.